once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Steaming hot, as you can see, really steaming hot, just straight from the cooker. Vegetable curry, vegetarian, healthy, vegan, delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this vegetable curry. At the back, tomatoes, carrots, zucchini, green beans. In the center, curry leaves, fresh, if you can get them, they're fantastic. Eggplant, onions, cauliflower. Now, traditionally, an Indian vegetable curry has to have these two in, for sure. Eggplant and cauliflower. The other vegetables are kind of optional. Fresh cilantro, ginger and garlic chopped, or you could be using garlic ginger paste. Some fresh chilies, our whole garam masala. Today I'm using just a few cardamom seeds and some black mustard seeds. Again, an extra vegetable there of green peppers or capsicums or bell peppers. And then our powders, always I call them the big four. So these are equal parts, like a teaspoon each of chili, cumin, coriander, and turmeric. If you wanted, you could be using just a mixed curry that you may have already. I find this to be a bit better. And there we've got some coconut milk, give it a lovely creamy texture. So the vegetables, you can add what you want. You could be adding some potatoes, for example. You know, anything you like really. Let's go into the cooker and get started. So you're going to need a pan of some sort with a lid. I'm using my favourite wok at the moment. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could be using any oil you like. You know, mustard oil would be, you know, really nice in this. We're going to start off by dropping in our whole garam masala, or our whole seeds. Today, like I say, I'm using black mustard seeds and green cardamom. Of course, if you wanted cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cumin seed, the list goes on and on. The combinations are incredible. As they do their thing, I'm now going to drop in our curry leaves. These can be quite noisy. There you go. Now, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful ingredient. Now, our onions, our ginger, and our garlic. Like I say, I'm using chopped garlic and ginger today, but you could be using garlic ginger paste. And regarding the curry leaves, if you can't get them fresh, there are certain stores that have them dried. And in fact, there's a link up on our website for recommended items. So you can find them on our website if you go to the recommended section. Okay, we're going to let this go. We're on quite a high heat, as you can see, just for about another 2 minutes. Keep stirring. It's just coming together beautifully. Simply what we're going to do now is be adding our hardest vegetables first. So in my case, it's carrots and the green beans. If I was using potatoes right now, I would be adding them possibly. So they're our hardest vegetables. Next up, I'm going to go with our eggplants and the cauliflower. But let's go for like just a couple of minutes, give them a little head start. So yeah, just giving these a little head start. Then we're going to go in with our eggplant and the cauliflower. And like I say, these are the kind of two ingredients, or a bit of a must. If you get a kind of Indian vegetable curry and it doesn't have eggplant or cauliflower in it, you might get a few funny looks. Again, a couple of minutes on this high heat, stir frying away. Really coming together now. I'm now going to add my last vegetables, this being zucchini and bell peppers. Again, 2 minutes, keep stirring. So all the vegetables are still wonderfully crunchy, but we've kind of just given them a little head start to where they need it, you know? Okay, now, I'm going to add those tomatoes, fresh chili, I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add a little splash of water. And then we're going to add our powders. Like I say, equal parts of here: chili, cumin, coriander and turmeric, about a teaspoon each. Give this a nice mix. The next step is we're going to lower the heat to a medium. Pop a lid on this and let it do its thing for about 4 to 5 minutes. What should happen is the tomatoes will break down and give off a lovely juicy masala for us. So once the lid goes on, you just leave it alone, no need to touch it again. Medium heat. I'll see you then. Okay, let's jump inside. And a bit of steam out there for you. And as you can see, it's looking like a vegetable curry right now. The tomatoes are gradually breaking down. Now, we're going to add, well, you don't have to do this, I'm going to be doing this. This is a wonderful curry like this really, but I'm going to be going in now with some coconut milk. Gives it a nice kind of creamy texture, of course. Now what we need to do is get the lid back on. Now get this onto a simmer. And all you need to do now is get this until your hardest vegetables are cooked, i.e. the carrots, say, or exactly how you want them. In my case, it's going to be about only like 4 to 5 minutes. I like a nice crunch on my vegetables. Lid back on, nice low heat. I'll see you in about 4 or 5. Okay, lid off, steam out. Wonderful, nice and creamy. Like I say, I like my vegetables to have a little bit of a bite to them. I don't want to cook them to death. You might want to cook them longer than me. Right, heat goes off. We're now going to finish this off with fresh cilantro or coriander and, which I didn't show you earlier, but a nice pinch of garam masala powder. Works wonders in there. We're going to give this a mix. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. And that's done. We'll see you soon. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Lots of love.